A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. What is the actual length of the bacteria? See here, photo is enlarged 50,000 times and then the length is 5. So actual length will be 5 upon 50,000. 5 ones and 10,000 or 10 raised to 1 upon 10 raised to 4 or 1 upon 10,000. So it can be written as 10 raised to minus 4. In exam, do this directly like this. I'll just explain you over here. See here, the problem is magnification versus length, right? Enlargement means what? Magnification. More magnification, more length. Therefore, M is directly proportional to L. Therefore, M equals to KL. K is constant. 50,000 equals to K into 5. So, K equals to what? 50,000 upon 5. 5 on this side. So, it becomes 10,000. Therefore, M equals to 10,000 into L. Now, what we have? L is 5 centimeter. Firstly it was 5 centimeter. Now we want, if magnification is instead of 50,000 times, if it is 1 time, then what? Therefore 1 equals to 10,000 into L. Therefore L equals to what? 1 upon 10,000. But what is 10,000? 10 raised to 4. So you take this 10 raised to 4 above in the numerator, it becomes 10 raised to minus 4. So actual length is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. Why M is taken as 1 over here? Because when magnification is 1, only then the actual length can be seen, right? So that's why M is taken as 1. So L equals to 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter.